Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. The lessons of Srinivas. Friends, today's topic is relative clauses or adjective clauses. Combine the sentences using who or which or that or where or whom. Let's watch the first example. The woman had been bitten by a shark. Full stop. She taught him surfing. Combine the sentences using who. Here we have to connect those two sentences with who. The woman is equal to she. The woman, first subject, she, second subject, are equal. If the subjects are equal, first we should remove the second subject. Who is placed, the concerned relative pronoun who is placed in place of deleted second subject. Now, who taught him surfing has become a relative clause. First, we should write the first subject. The woman should be written first. Who taught him surfing, the relative clause should be written after the first subject. Had been bitten by a shark is the predicate of the first sentence. Had been bitten by a shark should be written after the relative clause. Now the answer is the woman who taught him surfing had been bitten by a shark. Okay, let's see another example. Nick had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Full stop. Nick had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Full stop. He was teased and bullied. Full stop. Combine the sentences using who. If the subjects are equal, here Nick and he are the equal subjects. If the subjects are equal in both sentences, we should remove the second subject. The concerned relative pronoun who is placed in place of he. Now, the second sentence, who was teased and bullied, has become a relative clause. First, we should write the first subject, Nick. After the Nick, the relative clause should be written after the first subject. The predicate of the first sentence, had an electric wheelchair for mobility, should be written after the relative clause. Now, the answer is over. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility. ఇక్కడ వాక్యాల్లో రెండు సబ్జెక్టులు ఒకటే అయితే రెండో సబ్జెక్ట్ని రిమూవ్ చేసి దాని స్థానంలో ఇచ్చిన కన్సర్న్ రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్ ఉంచి అప్పుడు అది రిలేటివ్ క్లాజ్గా మారుతుంది. సమాధానం కోసం సబ్జెక్ట్ని ముందు రాసి తర్వాత రిలేటివ్ క్లాజ్ రాసి తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ప్రిడికేట్ని రాయాలి. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ద మీటింగ్ వాజ్ ఏ గ్రేట్ సక్సెస్. ఫుల్ స్టాప్. ఇట్ వాజ్ హెల్డ్ ఇన్ ద టౌన్ హాల్. Combine the sentences using which. The meeting and it are the same subjects in both sentences. The meeting is equal to it. If the subjects are equal in both sentences, the second subject should be removed. It is deleted. In place of it, which is used. The concerned relative pronoun which is placed in place of second subject. Now, the second clause has become a relative clause. Which was held in the town hall is a relative clause. For answer, we should write the first subject, the meeting. Should write the first subject. After that, we should write the relative clause. The relative clause which was held in the town hall should be written after the first subject, the meeting. Was a great success is a predicate of the first sentence. The predicate should be written after the relative clause. Okay, the answer is over. Let's see another example. Fourth one. The teachers say that he is an exceptionally creative student. Full stop. The teachers say that he is an exceptionally creative student, full stop. They have taught Abhiram full stop. Combine the sentences using who. Here, the teachers and they are equal subjects. They refers to the teachers. They is a pronoun of the teachers. If the subjects are equal, the second subject should be removed. In place of second subject, the concerned relative pronoun who is placed. Now, who have taught Abhiram has become a relative clause. Who should write the first subject? The teachers. After that, the relative clause should be written. Who have taught Abhiram? The teachers who have taught Abhiram. The predicate of the first sentence should be written after the relative clause. Say that he is an exceptionally creative student. The answer is the teachers who have taught Abhiram say that he is an exceptionally creative student. Let's see another example. Fifth one. This is the place. Full stop. I was born here. Full stop. Combine the sentences using where. Where denotes, where refers, place. This is the place, I was born here. Where denotes the place. ఇక్కడ వేర్ అనే వర్డ్ ప్లేస్ని రిఫర్ చేస్తుంది. మరియు in these two sentences the subjects are different. This is the place is the different, I is the different. So if the subjects are different, the relative pronoun should be written in between the two sentences. సబ్జెక్ట్స్ వేరు అయినప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్ రెండు వాక్యాల మధ్యలో ఫుల్ స్టాప్ తీసేసి రాయాలి. లెట్స్ సీ ద ఆన్సర్. వేర్ షుడ్ బి రిటన్ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ టూ సెంటెన్సెస్. హియర్ ఈజ్ డిలేటెడ్. Already the place is there where, so here is deleted. This is the place. ఫస్ట్ వాక్యాన్ని సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా రాసేయాలి, రెండో వాక్యాన్ని కూడా యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా రాసేయాలి. రెండు సబ్జెక్టులు డిఫరెంట్ కాబట్టి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్లేస్ వేర్ ఐ వాజ్ బార్న్. ఇచ్చిన రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్ వేర్ని రెండు వాక్యాల మధ్యలో రాసేసాము. ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్టులు వేరు కాబట్టి ఇచ్చిన రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్ మధ్యలో రాస్తాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్లేస్ వేర్ ఐ వాజ్ బార్న్. హియర్ వేర్ ప్లేస్ని ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి వేర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కాబట్టి రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్ హియర్ని ఇక్కడ రిమూవ్ చేస్తాము. The sixth example, let's watch. The express has just arrived. Full stop. It goes to Delhi. Full stop. Combine the sentences using which. The express is equivalent to it. First subject the express, second subject it are the same. If the subjects are equal, we should remove the second subject. In place of deleted subject, which is used. Which is placed in place of second subject. Which goes to Delhi has become a relative clause. If the sentences are equal, the second subject should be removed. Which is placed in place of second subject. First we should write the first subject, the express, which goes to Delhi. The relative clause should be written after the first subject. Has just arrived is the predicate of first sentence. It should be written after the relative clause. Now the answer is over. The express which goes to Delhi has just arrived. The express which goes to Delhi has just arrived. Okay, let's see another example. The place has been closed to traffic. The place has been closed to traffic. Full stop. It is in front of our house. Here the place is the first subject, it is the second subject. It denotes the place. It is equal to the first subject, the place. It and the place are equal. The subjects are equal in both sentences. If the subjects are equal, first we should remove the second subject. In place of second subject, which is placed. which is in front of our house has become a relative clause. So we should write first, the first subject should be written first. The place should be written first. After that, the relative clause which is in front of our house should be written after the first subject. Has been closed to traffic. It is a predicate of the first sentence. The predicate of the first sentence should be written after the relative clause. Okay, now the answer as over. The place which is in front of our house has been closed to traffic. Okay. The theatre was designed by Mr. Rao. Full stop. It was held in the town hall. Full stop. Combine the sentences using that. The theatre, first subject, it is the second subject. The subjects are equal in the both sentences. It is referred to the theatre. It refers to the theatre. If the subjects are equal in both sentences, the second subject, it should be removed. That is used in place of second subject. That was held in the town hall has become a relative clause. First we should write the first subject, the theatre. The theatre should be written first. The relative clause that was held in the town hall should be written after the first subject. Was designed by Mr. Rao is a predicate of first sentence. The predicate of the first sentence should be written after the relative clause. The theatre that was held in the town hall was designed by Mr. Rao. The answer is over. Okay. Next one. The book was sold at high price. The book was sold at high price. Full stop. It was written by Sivakara. It was written by Sivakara. Combine the sentences using that. The book and it, both subjects are equal. It refers to the book. Here it and book are equal subjects. If the subjects are equal, the second subject should be removed. That, the concerned relative pronoun, is placed in place of second subject. That is placed in place of it. That was written by Sivakara has become a relative clause. First we should write the first subject, the book. After the first subject, the relative clause should be written. That was written by Sivakara should be written after the book. The predicate of the first sentence should be written after the relative clause. Was sold at a high price should be written after the relative clause. Now the answer is over. The book that was written by Sivakara was sold at high price. Okay. We can see the following exercises from the 10th class textbook. Here main clause is given. We are asked to write the relative clauses. I suggested the following relative clauses in the blue color font. So let's observe them. Okay. This is the peaceful place. Where denotes place. So where is used in between the two sentences. This is the peaceful place where I like most. Next example. The Mahaprasthanam is a popular book. Popular book which denotes a thing. So which is used. The Mahaprasthanam is a popular book which was written by Sri Sri. The Mahaprasthanam is a popular book which was written by Sri Sri. The relative clause which was written by Sri Sri is used. In the first sentence, where I like most is used. Third example, Suresh dash has left the school just now. Suresh, who is my best friend, has left the school just now. Who is my best friend? The concerned relative clause is used in the blank. Suresh, who is my best friend, has left the school just now. Fourth one, is this the street? Dash question mark. Concerned relative pronoun should be written in the blank. So I used which you have asked for in the blue colored part. Is this the street which you have asked for? Is this the street which you have asked for? Okay. Fifth example, the place dash has been closed to traffic. The place which is in front of our house. The relative clause is used. The place which is in front of our house has been closed to traffic. Okay. Sixth one. This is a famous engineering college. Engineering college refers place. So we should use where. This is a famous engineering college. The blank is, we should write the concerned relative pronoun, relative clause. Where I joined engineering degree. This is a famous engineering college where I joined engineering degree. Full stop. Seventh one. My sister dash has secured a job as an engineer in BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. BHEL abbreviation is. My sister dash has secured a job as an engineer in Bell. My sister who got good marks. Who got good marks. ఇక్కడ రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్తో ఆ క్లాజ్ వాక్యం ఉంది కాబట్టి హూ గాట్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్ అనేది రిలేటివ్ క్లాజ్. ఆ రిలేటివ్ క్లాజ్ని ఇక్కడ రాయడం జరిగింది. మై సిస్టర్ హూ గాట్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్ యాజ్ సెక్యూర్డ్ ఏ జాబ్ యాజ్ అన్ ఇంజనీర్ ఇన్ BHEL ఆర్ బెల్. మై సిస్టర్ who got good marks has secured a job as an engineer in BHEL or Bell. Who got good marks is written, is used in the blank place. Eighth one. The theatre dash was designed by Mr. Rao. The theatre which was in the street was designed by Mr. Rao. Which was in the street is a relative clause, is used in the gap. The theatre which was in the street was designed by Mr. Rao. The blue colored part is a relative clause. I used the relative clause in the blank of the eighth blank. The theatre which was in the street was designed by Mr. Rao. Ninth one. Vishwanath dash is one of the outstanding directors in Telugu film industry. Vishwanath, who directed Shankarabharanam Telugu movie, is one of the outstanding directors in Telugu film industry. Vishwanath, who directed Shankarabharanam, the blue colored part is a relative clause. I suggested. Vishwanath, who directed Shankarabharanam, is one of the outstanding directors in Telugu film industry. Okay, thank you.